me give you a little introduction to what I'm all about. I started milling about 5 years ago. People that I knew and my neighbors were having trees cut down on their property because of the fire danger and stuff. So I came up with a way that I could get the logs, bring them to my place, and cut these logs up, and I was slabbing them down into 1x and 2x. Well, over the years, over the last 5 years or so, I've come up with better ways to deal with the logs. I've come up with ways to make some really nice boards out of the logs. So this whole video that I'm going to show you is all about sharing that. And at the end of the video, or anytime in the video, if you go to the description of this YouTube video, you'll see that I put links to my it goes to my website, and on the website I put some PDF downloads of the plans of what I've built. I think there's 5 different things that I've built and I use for when I'm doing my milling and logging. I want other people to be able to do it also, so let's just see if this works.